Hello YouTube. The reason why I was not in Rapper Offline videos, let me tell you why I was not making videos on Rapper Offline known as GoAnimate. Because I was too busy with real life, local editings, and gamings, although I did not play gamings in a few months, and also been struggling with the exams from school. It's gonna be my last day of 8th grade and I'm going there. Do you think I'm on summer break? No, instead I'm going to study for the exams for math and Romania from school, which I don't know what I'm going to do, and I might be getting too strong for it. I don't even know if I make a bunch of videos on GoAnimate or local editing at the same day. Yo, feel free to send me requests in the comments in the section here, only for summer season. But please don't send me an offensive, inappropriate, or copyrighted video, cause even I see that, I might get a community guideline strike, or is going to be copyright infringement, and the copyright claim block for terrorizes. There is one more thing. You will not send requests in the comment section yet until June 26th, cause if I see requests is too early, you're blocked permanently. No second chances. Okay, guys, that's all I have to say this to you. I hope you have a good day, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out, and God bless you.